Hi guys, it's Anders. Today we are looking at the Maschine expansion pack, Laser Dice. This is by far one of my favourite packs that I've come across so far. It's got some great detailed sounds in it. Let's get into having a look at it. Okay guys, so here we are in Maschine and we've got loaded up Laser Dice, and I've just got the first demo project loaded up. I've just got to say I love this pack. I'm not really into trap, it's not something I really produce, but this pack's helped me learn quite a lot about it because the production in it is so on point. So the first one we've got loaded up is Hell of a Trap, and we'll just play a couple of the scenes. In fact, we'll do the chorus and the verse. If we go into scenes, we'll just take scene 2. We'll do that and I'll jump into the verse, and then we'll just have a listen to the individual elements that are provided to make it. That's just awesome, considering it's not mastered or anything. It's just a track coming from Maschine, which is just incredible. Now, unlike a lot of the other packs that we've looked at, there's lots of sounds loaded in these ones, with the exception of the instrument ones where they should have 1 or 2 each. But there are entire drum kits actually loaded up. What we've noticed before is there's sometimes not the case with the drums, so like we can have a look at the different patterns. For example, they're pretty sparse, but the whole kit at least is loaded up for us. So if we have a look at the individual elements that we've got, we'll stick it back on the chorus because that's our fullest bit and has that awesome lead sound in. Let's just go back onto A. So they've split up the drums, give us a different set of hi-hats to the kit. Awesome orchestra hit in there. And that awesome whistle lead. What's really great about this as well, a lot of the packs, they'll be layered with effects to make the sounds how they are. This drum kit, pretty much everything's just a raw sample. It already works and sounds great. So you can take it a lot further. The only thing that's got effects on is our massive synth here, and by default the effects on it are actually all off, look. So if we turn them on, it's set up to sound like this. But it's just ready to roll. So let's load up the next project, which is Hong Kong Fooey. And we've got a similar kind of structure on this. We'll do the same thing. We'll take the chorus section here and we'll move on to one of the verses just to get an idea of what's going on. So a slightly different feel on this one, but again we've got a nice whole kit loaded up. That is primarily just samples, so there's no real effects on there, so they're all ready to go. And then the other ones have got slightly different sound sets loaded up, depending on what was needed for the track. So let's have a listen to the next one. Now there's only a few inside this project, so we'll go through all of them. This has got a real main room with loads and loads of sub to it. Loads and loads of sub on there, but a real main room sound. Again, really full pack. And this time we're starting to get some effects and things, tweaking up the sounds that are provided. One of the nicest kits, the preloads in the pack. Anyway, that's another wild one. Let's have a little listen to some of the packs that you can load up with it. I love the bass on this. Real classic sounding, like trap before it really became the modern trap that we know now. and it also comes with some massive patches as well. I hope that's been helpful for you guys, giving you a bit more an insight into the pack. If so, thank you very much for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you on the next one.